back. So all you have to do is come out and lay on your back behind the dolphin. Please take the fins off, they only push feet. Any questions?
Callie, say hi. Say hello.
Aren't you? Are you stuck? Come on, come on. Come on, there you go. Come on, there you go. You're stuck, aren't you? You got yourself in a pickle there, don't you, boy? Where are you gonna go with it? Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go, Oscar? Where are you gonna go? Oscar? Where are you gonna go with it? Just be it.
The truck that beats any Ford F-150 in fuel economy, and the 2014 North American Truck of the Year. And now, during Chevy Truck Month, the price you see.
#1 boxing network. Get Showtime for the biggest hit movies and explosive live events. It's time to get Showtime on Comcast.
Mom.
Overseas, you can cruise past centuries of history along the legendary Nile.
Sweep her up in the pile. Sweep her up in the pile. We aren't very good at this. Take her over to the garbage can. Put her in the garbage can. Come back.
Jenny's a good girl. Yeah. Try yawn in her face. we have to watch this one.
We are so close as it is.
Look at the two fight. They are literally fighting here.
They are.
Mommy's gonna stop.
Willie, wake up. Wake up, Willie. This is my sink.
Hey!
See, only one hand.
It just turned off the water.
Cat. Tommy Lee Jones. Hello, Tommy. How are you doing today? Are you doing okay? Good.
I want to make a video of it.
I am.
Are you?
Kitty kitty.